So, Blue Moon of Kentucky was written in the key of B by Bill Monroe, and it's a little low for me, but we'll play it once through in the key of B, and then we'll play it in the key of G. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on when that's gone, let it blue. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on when that's gone, let it blue. It was on a moonlight night, the stars shining bright, they whispered on high, love say goodbye. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on when I'm gone, say goodbye. So that's the key of B. Now we'll play it in the key of G. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on the one that's gone, proving true. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on the one that's gone, let it blue. It was on a moonlight night, the stars shining bright, they whispered on high, and love said goodbye. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining, shine on the one that's gone, left me blue. So it's a lot easier to play and sing in the key of G. But Bill Monroe often wrote tunes in strange and obscure keys so that to make it difficult for other people to copy him.